Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's encode the logic. I hope you're all doing good. In this video, we are going to write a Python program on calculator. We all know about calculator. So that is a device which is used to do some arithmetic calculations, right? Now in this video, we are going to write a program for the calculator. It's a very simple and basic calculator program. What are the arithmetic operators that we can perform through the calculator? We can perform addition and then subtraction and then multiplication and then division, right? So let us say, since we are going to write the code in Python, let's perform all these operations in our code. These are the arithmetic operators which are available in Python. They are addition, subtraction, multiplication, and then floor division to get the precise value, and the modulus and the exponentation. So these two operators are not available in calculator, but let's include them also. I want to design my program. Like at first I will ask the user to enter n1 and then n2 and then also the operator. And then n1 operator n2 will be done. Right? If the operator is plus, then n1 plus n2 will be done in this way. If n1 and n2 are two numbers, if the user chooses plus, then n1 plus n2 should be printed. If user chooses minus, then n1 minus n2, the result will be printed. If user chooses multiplication, n1 into n2, if the user chooses the floor division, then n1 divided by n2. And if the user chooses modulus, the remainder will be printed. If the user chooses the exponentation operator, then n1 power n2 will be printed. So this is how I want to design my calculator program. So let's quickly code it. So let me keep a comment. Calculator program. So what are my inputs? My inputs are n1, n2 and operator, right? Okay, let's take that. n1 equal to int of input of enter number 1, right? Control C and n2 equal to enter number 2, right? And later we will take an operator. Operator is equal to. So we will take int of input of, right? So if we do follow this int of input of, then it will be a blended mistake, guys, because the operator is not an integer format. The operators are like plus, minus, and the multiplication, right? They are not integers. They are operators. Now the question was, how do we need to take an operator? So we can take operators in string format. So we will do input of enter operator. So let's give a disclaimer like, so the user can enter only plus and then minus and into and then the floor division and then the modulus and the exponentation operator. So this is a disclaimer that we want to give to the user. Now the input part was completed. Now coming to the logic. So here we need to use an if else statement because we have more than two conditions. That's why we'll use an if else statement. So let's take if. Now, what do we need to check? We need to check if the user chooses plus. Means we need to check if the operator is equal to, we need to use a double quote, and within that double quotes we need to include plus, because we are taking the input in the string format. So that's why we have used double quotes, right? If the operator is equal to plus, then result equal to n1 plus n2. I computed n1 plus n2 and stored in the result variable. Okay. Elif, the second condition was minus, right? Elif operator is equal to minus within the double quotes, then the result will be n1 minus n2. And we will do the same. Control V, then Control V, then Control V. So if the operation is a multiplication, then we will compute n1 into n2 and store it in result. And if the operator is the floor division, we will do N1 4 division 2, and if the operator is modulus operator, where it is, yeah, modulus operator, then we will do N1 mod N2. And if the operator is an exponentiation, we will do N1 power N2. Right? If all these conditions are failed, let us store result is equal to wrong input, right? If the user didn't enter any one of these operators, then let's give the message like result equal to wrong input. Finally, we need to print the output. Result is equal to comma result, right? Okay, let's run this code now. Okay, I will enter number 50 and then 20. Number 2 is 20, and I will click on enter. I will give operation addition, that was plus. So if you see the result equal to 70. Okay, working fine. I will give 40 and 45, and my operation was minus. So if you see the result is minus 5. Okay, nice. I will give 26 and 90, and I will use operator into. So the result was 2340. So 26 into 90, that was 2340. Okay, let me cancel this and let me run this again. So I will give 900 and then 30. So I will choose floor division. So result equal to 30, right? Okay. Okay, let me run this again. So this time I will choose 50 and then 3. I will give modulus operation. So if you do 50 divided by 3, then you will get the remainder as 2. So that's why you got result equal to 2. Okay, let me run this program again. This time I will give 6 and number 2 is 3, and I will enter the operator explanation. So 6 power 3, that was 216. Right. Now let me run this program again. I will give 5 as number 1 and 6 as number 2. So I will enter an AND operator. So let's see what will happen. So the result equal to wrong input. All these conditions are failed and an else block will be executed. So the result is equal to wrong input. In this way, the calculator program will work. This is a very simple calculator program. I hope you like this video and thank you for watching. Hey folks, if you enjoyed this coding tutorial and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Share it with your fellow coding buddies, drop a comment with your thoughts or questions, and of course, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Your support means a lot and it helps our community grow. Happy coding!